we got an unboxing. But before we get into this, if you guys haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you get notified when we drop all the newest content. And we drop content weekly. Put a like on the video. Let us know what you think. Comment down below. And with that being said, welcome to Fright Time. So I got a package today. This is a mask I've been after. This is the, how do I say it without giving it away? This is the standard mask. And there was a collector's mask. If you look back on the previous videos, I have the standard alien mask and the collector alien mask. This is by the same company, go figure. This is Distortions Unlimited. And this is the standard Predator. I've wanted a Predator for a minute. I have Distortions Pumpkinhead. Now I have both of the aliens. Now I need both the Predators. And I need the bust of the Pumpkinhead one too. But yeah, shout out to them guys out of Greeley, Colorado. They really know how to make monsters. So let me get into this. I will say this. I really don't like this box. And the last mask I got in the same box. Well, same size anyways. Yeah, I really don't like it. Because I know the mask is squished inside, and you know, it's come from pretty far away. It came from Indianapolis. So yeah, it's gonna get beaten on, stacked between, you know, pressure, the elements of the weather. It's just not good for the mask. And that's all I want. I want the mask to be safe. Let's see. It's like you gotta open and end on these. Well, at least this is in a bag. I do like that. The last few haven't been in a bag. Oh, it feels nice and more pliable. Oh, it's big. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I can't wait. I am so stoked. Oh my God, this thing is huge. I'm going to try and give you guys the first look. I gotta stuff this thing. This thing, I can already tell it's floppy. It's a floppy. Yeah, it's a Predator. This thing is so dope. 1990. Distortions Unlimited. This thing is huge, bro. Love it. Just the close-ups and the details. It's beautiful. Oh my God, yeah, dude, I love it. This thing is beautiful. I love Distortion's work. 1990 Predator standard mask. I'm going to get it stuffed. I'll get you some close-ups of the detail, and we'll give it a spin.
Fry Time exclusive merchandise available through Bonfire today. Long sleeves, hoodies, crew necks, t-shirts, and more. Various sizes and colors to choose from. Visit us today and dress your flesh.